Hey everyone, today we are going to do something crazy. I am going to take a one prompt and test it on it the five different AI models: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, and Perplexity. Same exact prompts, five different answers. I will show you live on the screens which AI give the best results, and plus I will show you how the bad prompts performs versus a good prompts using the 10x formula. Let's go. Okay, here the words we are going today. I have opened the five tab. First one is the ChatGPT, second one is the Gemini, third one is the Cloud, fourth one is the Microsoft Copilot, and the fifth one is the Perplexity. All login, all ready to go. Now here the plan. Test 1. Bad prompt. We will use the terrible and the value prompts to see the what each AI they give us. Test 2. Good prompt. And we will use the same topic but with the proper framework and see the difference. And test 3. Advanced prompt. We will add the step by step the thinking and see the which AI they handle it the best. Let's start with the bad prompts. And here are the bad prompts and the right about the starting the business. That's it. No details, no structures, and nothing the specific. This is the how the most people the prompt the AI. And let's see what's happened. And copy this prompt and paste of ChatGPT and enter. Let's see what we get. The starting the business is the processing of the turning of ideas into the something real and the valuable from the peoples. It's begun with the identify the problems on the need in the marketing and the creating are the product or the services that solve it the better than the existing options. And the first steps is the starting is the are the business is the research. This include the studying the target audience, competitor, and the market and the trends. And the once the planning is the complete the next steps in the setting up the business global legally. And this may be the involve the choosing the business names, uh, marketing plays are the key roles in the business growth. Starting the business also the requirement, patience, and the resilience. And challenge such as the limited resources, the competitions, and the slow growth are the commons. So ChatGPT gave us and very general advice around the 500 or 4 to 500 words and cover the basic thing like the planning, funding, and the marketing. And but nothing is as specific and feels like a textbook. And rating 10 over 5 uh, generic results. Next up, the cloud. Same exact prompts and paste the cloud. Copy and paste the cloud and then enter. Wait for response, and cloud is response. The starting the business is one of those ventures that can feel the both the accelerity and the terrifying the often at the same times. At this cure is about the identify the problems, what solving, and the building the something that address it is the way the peoples are the willing to pay for. The journey the typically the begins with the idea through the not always the groundbreaking. And once some of the most successful businesses have taken the existing concept and simply executed them the better and serve as the neglected the market. Once you have the initiate spark, the real work begins. You will need to the validate the whether sure the idea has the legs, and the practically sides involve the deciding one of the business structures. And what often the surprise new the entrepreneurs is the how much of the running of the business is not about the product itself. The emotion is the roller coasters is the real too. There will be the days the when everything the click and you're the real unstoppables. Starting the business is not for you. That's the perfectly fine. It's require the sacrifice. Longer than the ChatGPT and more structured with the sessions, but still the generic. And the rating 10 out of 5.5. So Copilot times and paste the same prompts and hit enter. Let's see. Starting the business is both the exciting and the challenges, the foundations, the planning, funding, building, launch, and the growth sustainables. Short response and the basic step listing, but still the generic. And rating 10 out of 4. Shortest, but still the generic. Google Gemini. Uh, Paste prompts, same prompts, and enter response. Starting a business is one of the rewarding and the demanding challenges you can on, and the foundation idea validations. The great business does not just need a good idea; it's need to solve the specific problem from the specific group of the peoples. Find your why are you the filling out the gap in the marketing and improving the existing solution, market research, the MVP minimum viables the product, the blueprint creating the plan, the logical marketing its legals, the launch, the growth and adaptations, and okay. Gives Google Gemini gives the bullet points and has link to the resources, but still the generic, and rating 10 out of 5. Now finally Perplexity, the paste the same prompt and enter. Let's see. Perplexity gave us starting the business required a solid idea. Through the planning and the persistent the executions, develop your idea and has the citations. That's great. And also link to resources, and but content is still generic and more research focus, and rating 10 out of 5.5. Okay, so what did we learn? The 5 AI models that gave us the garbage, not because the AI is the bad, because our the prompts was the bad, the writing about the starting the business, and no directions, no contacts, no constraints. The AI does not know what's type of the business, who I am, what's my budgets, and what do I actually needs. When you add the garbage in, then you garbage out. Now let's fix this with the 10x framework, and let's build the proper prompts, and same topic start the business, but this time using the 10x framework. And I build this the step by step, you can see. And the step 1, add the role. You are the experienced business consultant who has the helped 100 plus small businesses launch successfully. As see, now AI knows who to be. And step 2, add the constraint. Add the context. The context context, I am 20-year-old software developer and I want to start a side business. I have $5,000 to invest, and I can work 10 hours per week on this. I am interested in the online and the digital businesses. I am in the United States, and now AI knows my situation. And step 3, add the task. Create the practical 90-day launch plan and the starting and the online businesses that fit my situations, and the clear and the specific. Step 4, add the requirement. Give me 3 business ideas that match my skill and budgets. For each idea, explain why it fit me, and provide the week by week plan for the first 90 days, and include the estimated cost and the potential revenue. And then list the 3 biggest risks, how to avoid them. And now AI knows what I need. And step 5, add the constraints. The constraints keep total startup cost under the $5,000. Focus on the business that can be start earning within the 60 days, and avoid anything requiring the physical inventory. Use the simple language, know the business jargon, and be realistic, not overly optimistic. And now AI knows the rule. And step 6, add the format. The format: session 1, top 3 business ideas with the pros and cons. Session 2, recommended choice and why. And session 3, Session 3, Session 3, 90 days week by week plans, and Session 4, budget breakdown, Session 5, risk analysis, and Session 3, first 3 action step to take today. And now AI knows how to organize, and here our the complete 10x prompt, role, context, task, requirement, constraints, formats, and this is the 10x prompt. Okay, let's test it. Our the 10x prompts, the same 5 AI models, the same models, but was the different nouns. Copy the 10x prompt and started with again ChatGPT. Look at this. Section 1, top 3 business ideas, Section 2, recommended choice, and Section 3, 90 days week by week plan. And Section 4, budget breakdown. Section 6, the first 3 action step to take today. Incredible. Compared to before, we got the 3 specific business ideas and personalized to my skills, and 90 days week by week plans, and budget breakdowns, the risk analysis, and the action step. This is the more valuable, this is the more usable, and this is the 10x better. The rating, the 10 out of 9. Now Claude with the same 10x prompts, and paste and hit the enter. Let's see. Your 90 day side by side business launch plan. Session 1, top 3 business ideas, and idea 1, customer services tool for smart businesses, and pros and cons. Idea 2, technical course creations and tutoring, and pros cons, and idea 3, no coding automations, the consulting, and Session 2, recommended choice. Session 3, 90 day week by week plans, and Session 4, and the budget breakdown. The Claude, the went the deep, and Session 6, first 3 action step to take today, and action steps. Action steps. Your next day, your next 24 hours. The Claude, even the more detailed than the ChatGPT, and longer overall, and the more the thoughtful analysis, and the rating the 10 out of the 9.5. Google Gemini done and paste the same exact 10x prompt, and enter, hit. Let's see. It's great to meet a follow builder. As a developer, you have the unfair advantages of the building able to build your own assets. And Session 1, the top 3 business ideas, and Session 2, recommended choice. Session 3, 90 days plan, week by week plan, and Session 5 and Session 6, and also a link to Google based feeds. And Google Gemini gave us the well organized session, but slightly less personalized than the ChatGPT and the Claude, and rating 10 out of 8.5. Now Microsoft Copilot time, and paste the same exact prompt and hit enter. Let's see. Session 1, top 3 business ideas with pros and cons, and Session 2, recommended choice, and Session 3, 90 day week by week plans, and Session 4, budget breakdown, Session 5, risk analysis, Section 6, the first 3 action step to take today. and Copilot Microsoft gave us the more structure has the structure now and better than the before, but less detail than the other chatbots, and rating a 10 out of 7.5. Finally, Perplexity time now pays the same exact prompts and hit the enter working. And we get the top 3 business ideas, freelance web development, and idea 1 freelance web development that has the citations of everything, and recommended choice, 90 days week by week plans, and good for the validations and the very research full model, and but less the personalized than other chatbot uh, like the Claude and ChatGPT, and has the some sources to get the data. Is better from the real time data, and the rating 10 out of 9. Let's do the step by step the comparisons. The look at this the difference. The bad prompt results average 5.1 out of the 10s, and the 10x prompt results the average 8.5 out of the 10s, and that's all the 70% improvement. The same AI models, the same topic, but completely different results. The only thing that changed our prompt, and this is the power of the 10x framework. Now let's do the one more test. This time we will add the chain of the thought. We will ask the AI to think step by step. This prompt adding to the 10x prompts. The before giving your final answers, the first analyze my situations, the skill, budget, and times. Then brainstorm 5 possible business ideas. Next, evaluate the each against the constraints. Eliminate the two weakest options with reasoning, and the final present the top 3 with your recommendations. The show you thinking process of the each step. This forced to AI reason through the problem. That's the test on the top 2 AI performers. The copy, the prompt, and paste ChatGPT, and hit the enter. Look at this. I can do without exposing my private chain of the thought. And situation 1, analyze your reality. Analyze your reality, skills, budgets, the times, and the constraint summary. And the step 2, the brainstorm 5 possible business ideas. The productize the technical services, micro SaaS tools, the paid Chrome extension, SEO content site plus tools, online code for developers. And the step 3, evaluate the each against your constraints. And the step 4, the eliminate the 2 weakest options. Eliminate online course, eliminated SEO content sites. And the top 5, the top 3 business ideas, and product technicals, micro SaaS, Chrome extensions, final recommendations. And see how AI the thought through this, and it's not just giving the answers, and it's the showing, it's the reasoning. The rating the 10 out of the 10. The next, the Cloud. The page the same exact prompts, and see the results. And business consultant analyzes your site, the business launch, the plans, the step 1 situation analysis, the skills, resources, your constraints, money, timeline, energy. Step 2, brainstorming 5 ideas. Idea 1, custom the web scraping and the data services, and idea 2, no code automation consulting, and idea 3, API integration specialist. Idea 4, technical the content creation businesses. Idea 5, micro SaaS development. And the idea step 3, evaluations against the constraints. And the idea 1, web scraping data, and the fit startups leverage can start earning in the 60 days. That is amazing output. And risk over our score, also at the score in every session. And idea 2, no code automation consulting, and also idea 3, API integration specialist, and idea 4, technical content creations, and Step 4, the eliminating the two weakest options. Eliminate the ideas 5. Eliminated the idea 5. The micro size development. The final scored the 60 out of the 38. So why it's the being that eliminated? This is the classic developer the trap. It's the what's you want to be the become. It's exciting and the leverage your core skills perfectly. Timeline mismatch week 1 planning designing 5 to 8 week featuring texting week 90 to 12 beta users feedback refinement, week 13 marketing first paying customer. You're looking in the 98 the minimum before your first dollars. And eliminated the idea 3's API integrations. Why it's being the eliminated? This is the one hard to cut because it is technically the best fit for your the skills but not for your situations. And also scroll down the step the 5 top 3 recommendations with the final choice. And the third place web development, third place the web scraping and the data services, and score 60 out of 46. The words make it good strong technical mode, recurring revenue models, one setup the low ongoing the time investment, premium pricing, the possibles. And also scroll the second place technical content creation score 60 out of 49, and also scroll down and winner no code the automation consultant, the score 60 out of the 50. Why this win? Timeline alignment. You have to your first, you can have you the first paying client within 30 to 45 days. Week 1 want to learn the Zapier and the Maker basics. Week 3 build the 3 portfolio examples. The week 4 5 outreach and initial conversations, and the week 6 the land first client and the 5 to $7,500. Week 7 to 8 the complete projects get the testimonial. Week 9 the snowball for theirs. And also scroll down and my final recommendation start with the node code the automation consulting with the specific twist your hybrid strategy. Week 1 to 8 the pure focus of the automation consultant, learn tool, learn first two clients, get the initial revenue following, build the confidence and the testimonial. Week 9 to plans and see your immediate next steps. The step 1 the commitment the decisions, the commitment decisions, the create the free accounts and first learning session. Go to YouTube, search as Zapier automation example from small businesses, watch 3 videos that take the notes of the 5 automation you could build. The step 5 the accountability setups. Text 1 friends, I am starting the side business, can I send you weekly update? They send the calendar reminder every Sunday and send the weekly update to friends. And that is the amazing, the honest truth. You have the everything need to build the 305,000 per month sites within the next 12 months. The technical skills, it's amazing results. And the cloud is just the having the conversation with itself, and this is the premium output and scoring rating 10 out of 10. All right, let's do our the final ranking. And based on the all 3 tests, the first one is the cloud, second one is the ChatGPT, third one is the Gemini, fourth one is the Perplexity, and the fifth one is the Copilot. So which AI model should you choose? Here my the recommendations: you use the cloud when you need the deep analysis, complex problem, want through the reasoning, quality over the speed. Use the ChatGPT when the general task need the good balance, want the reliable results, most common situations. Use the Gemini when they need the research, they want the link and the resources, good ecosystem users, the fact finding missions. They use the Perplexity when need the citation, verifying the information, academic work and the source back answer. Use the Copilots when the quick answer, Microsoft 360 integrations, the simple task, the speed matter most. And here the real essence of the AI models, the better the less than your prompts. The great prompts on the average AI, the beats the bad prompts on the best AI every single time. Before we finish, let me give you exact template I use. You can copy this. All prompts templates. Template 1 basic 10x prompt, and template 2 chain of the thought additions. Template 3 comparison request. and template for step-by-step guide the request. And these templates work for any AI models, and download them and use them and get the better results. And templates in the description below. Alright everyone, that was a lot of the test today. The quick recap: I have the test in the 5 AI models, the same prompts, and with the bad prompts, the alt models that gave the useless and the generic answers, and the average score 5.5 out of the 10. With the 10x prompts, the all model gave the useful and the excellent results, and the average scores the 8.5 out of the 10. So with the chain of the thoughts, the top models that gave the exceptional reasoning and the average score 10 out of 10. And the lesson is the clear: so your prompt is the key, not the paid subscriptions, no AI models, and not just some the hacks and the tricks, and just a better prompt. So if this video helped you, and smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Then next week I am testing the prompts from the research, coding, and writing and more. And subscribe so you do not miss it. And watching, thank you for the watching. And you now have the 10x prompts, so go use it and get the better results, and save the hour of the times. And I'll see you next time. Bye.